Welcome. If you want to stay updated with every post and update from the pages you follow on Facebook, you need to enable notifications for those pages. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn on following pages notifications for your Facebook page using the latest update on your PC. First, open your preferred browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the page you manage or want to receive notifications for. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Now, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook page. On the left-hand side, find and click on Notifications. This section controls how and when you receive alerts from Facebook. Within the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see Pages you follow. Click on it to open the notification preferences for the pages you're following. Here's the crucial step. Look for the option that says, Allow notifications on Facebook. Toggle this setting to enable notifications. Once it's turned on, you'll start receiving updates from the pages you follow directly on your Facebook account. By following these steps, you'll never miss an important update or post from your favorite pages. It's a simple process that makes sure you stay connected and informed about everything happening on the pages you care about. Remember, you can always return to these settings if you want to adjust your notification preferences in the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with your Facebook pages.